Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for TextMe. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, simply open your TextMe application. Tap on Get Started. Here you can either sign up with email, Facebook or Google. Here I am going with email. Simply enter your email address. Tap on Continue. Now set a password that is strong enough for your account. Select your age group. Select your gender. Tap on Create. And that is how you can easily sign up for TextMe. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.